Advanced Query Options. This tutorial covers the advanced query options available in Integra. When querying in Integra, advanced query options are available on all of the fields. However, the options available to you depend on which type of field you are querying on. Let's look at a few examples in the Individuals screen. Start a new query by clicking on the binoculars icon in the toolbar. Then click on the Membership tab and select Active from the Membership Status drop-down list and Associate from the Member Class drop-down list. We will not run the query just yet. We will also select the towns we require, which will narrow down our search further. Now click on the Location tab. As you can see, the town field is a free text or white field, and you would usually just enter the name of the town here. However, if you want to select more than one town for your query set, you would use the Advanced Query options in this field. Right-click on the field and select Advanced. You will see two tabs, List and Other. We will look at the Other tab later in this tutorial. The List tab allows you to enter towns you are looking for. Enter Sheffield and hit the Tab key on your keyboard to add the value to the list. Then enter Manchester and hit the Tab key on your keyboard again to add the values to your list. You would enter all your criteria in this way. The order that you select the towns doesn't matter. Click on OK. You will see that you are running an advanced query on this field. Also click on the Main Address checkbox. Now click on the green tick to return all associate members with a main address in Sheffield or Manchester. The white boxes on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen show you how many records have been returned. You can also view these records in List View. Let's try another query. Click on the binoculars and go to the Membership tab again. Select Active from the Membership Status drop-down list. In the Membership Class field, instead of selecting Associate again, run an advanced query so you can select more than one value. Put your cursor in the field, right-click and select Advanced. You'll notice that you have the same two tabs, List and Other. However, you now have a spyglass icon because you're running an advanced query on a drop-down list field. Click on the spyglass icon and the list of membership classes will appear. Select Associate by clicking on it once. Then select Affiliate by also clicking on it once. There's no need to hold down the Shift or Control key on your keyboard. To deselect a value, you would simply click on it again. Now click on Select. You'll see that both values have been added to the list. You'll also notice that the Include option is selected by default. Therefore, these values will be included in your search. You could choose to exclude them. Now click on OK. You'll see that you're running an advanced query on this field. Before running the query, select the same towns as before. Go to the Location tab, right-click on the Town field, select Advanced, and enter the values of Sheffield and Manchester. Remember to use the Tab key on your keyboard to add the values to your list. Then click on OK. You'll see that you're running an advanced query on this field. Also click on the Main Address checkbox. Now run the query by clicking on the green tick in the toolbar or hitting the Enter key. Your query will return all associate and affiliate members with a main address in Sheffield or Manchester. The white boxes on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen will show you how many records have been returned. You can also view the records in List View. Now let's run the same query as before, but this time we'll run the advanced search on the Date Joined field to narrow our search to finding members who joined between certain years. Enter the membership criteria as before, then in the Date Joined field, right-click and select Advanced. You'll notice there's an additional tab now, the Date tab, because you're in a date field. Enter the date range you require. This will bring back all those members who joined between those years. Then click on OK. Click on the Location tab and enter the towns as before and click on the Main Address checkbox. Now run the query. You can view your results in List View if you wish. Our final query will use the Other tab in the Advanced Query options. Click on the Membership tab and let's select the Associate and Affiliate members again. Now go to the Phone or Email tab, and we'll use the Advanced options to only select those members with a main email address. To do this, right-click on the email field and select Advanced. Click on the Other tab. You have the options to find records that do not contain a value, in this case an email address, or to find records that do contain an email address. You could also enter an exact value here if you require. Choose Must Contain an Email Address and select OK. You can see that you're running an advanced query here. Now go to the Location tab and select your towns as before. Now run the query. Your search has brought back all records as before, but now only those with a main email address.